So I'm starting off by using the Wildberry's Co-Wash, and I'm just going to apply that all over my hair, try and get a nice cleanse going, a nice little co-wash going. And yeah, so while I was using this product, I did notice that it wasn't as easy to detangle my hair as, like, you know, other co-washes that I use. So yeah, that's the only thing I didn't like about this. Other than that, I love this product. It smells amazing. The texture was amazing. I just wish it had more slip so that it was easier for me to detangle my hair. Okay, now that my hair is finished and detangled, next is the deep conditioner. I'm going to be using the Marshmallow Melt Mask as my deep conditioner today. I'm going to be trying this for the first time, so I'm excited to see how this smells. It looks like it smells amazing, and I already used their co-wash and it smells amazing. So let's see how this smells. It smells like bubble gum. It smells like heaven, actually. Okay, so my hair right now, I just took it out of the bun. This was from the co-wash that I use. I actually like how it looks right now. So I'm going to be using the Marshmallow Melt Mask, and I'm just going to apply that to the ends and work my way up. Now, all of their products so far have been smelling amazing. The packaging itself just looks like it smells amazing. I'm just going to take some of this, apply it to my head, and then leave it in for like 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. I'm going to use Tropikal Bliss's Watermelon Squeeze. I'm going to be using these two together to deep condition my hair. I'm gonna place this mainly on the ends. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on my hot head cap, and I'm gonna leave that in for 20 minutes. And I also have a video reviewing this cap. If you guys wanna see it, check out my latest video. Okay, so now I'm back. I've already done most of my hair. I'm going to start by using the banana leave-in smoothie, and I'm just gonna apply that as my leave-in before I go on with my actual styler. Now, the consistency of this leave-in is like really watery. So for me, for my hair detangling, it wasn't like the best to detangle with. But yeah, the hair milk, the pineapple hair milk, I did actually love. It was very thick and creamy, and I felt like it was actually moisturizing and defining my curls. So I really do love this products. And by the way, both of them smell bomb.com, but I don't need to tell you guys that. You already know. Okay, so my hair is completely dried now. It's a little bit, it's completely dried. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of the watermelon squeeze, and I'm gonna, because it's a little crunchy, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just run it through my ends. Just kinda, it smells so good, you guys. Alright, so this is my hair from using the Tropikal Bliss one, and I have to say that I really do like the definition that I gave my hair. At first I wasn't too sure because it didn't have like the same texture as my staple product, so I didn't know how it was going to work out on my hair. But my curls end up being really defined, and I like that it had that crunch at the end because that means that it's going to hold for a while. And I love this entire line. Yeah, these all smell amazing. They're all vegan. So I'm pretty happy that I'm putting something that is very safe for my hair into my hair. All of their products are cruelty-free. They do not test on animals. They are 100% vegan. So these are all really good things to consider, especially if you're very conscious of what goes into your hair. So yeah, I'm so happy that they sent me their line. The only thing I think I didn't have was the bamboo shampoo, which I guess I'll try it another time, but yeah. I really love all of these. So from these, this would definitely be a staple, this Marshmallow Melt Mask. as well as the pineapple hair milk and the watermelon squeeze. So these are gonna be like my little go-tos along with some other products. But yeah, these products are amazing. If you guys haven't tried them out, you should definitely try them out. I'll have like, if I have a code, I'll have a code in the description box below, and I'll probably post it on my Instagram so you guys can check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to see you in my next video. Bye.
Are we too grown for games? Are we too grown to play around? Young and